Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best remedy to repair liver damage after alcohol, but not just alcohol, drugs, medication, prescription, acetaminophen, which is Tylenol, aspirin, which all damage the liver and the gallbladder. And it creates cirrhosis, a fatty liver, inflammation, and just make the liver toxic, okay? The best herb to do that would be milk thistle. Let me explain why. This herb is one of the most thoroughly studied, scientifically proven, powerful natural remedies to reverse damage to your liver cells, okay, and the gallbladder, which is amazing. So it's been around for a long time. I'll put some links down below, but it can do a lot of things. It reduces inflammation. It's good for other things like the kidney, but mainly what it can do, it can reverse damage to your liver. The active ingredient is called silymarin. And it also increases glutathione, which is another powerful antioxidant to repair damage on the liver as well, and the gallbladder, for example. So again, for short-term quick fix, this is what you want. Long-term, you're going to have to change your diet. You're going to have to consume a lot of cruciferous vegetables that are high in the sulfur, mineral, and choline to actually repair liver as well. So go ahead and try it and put your comments down below. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.